Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to change your theme in Edge browser. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. Then having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to extension right here. Click on extensions, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on get extension for Microsoft Edge. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the bottom right here, navigate to themes. It's going to load up like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to select any of the theme from the home page right here. So there are lots of themes right here. The more you scroll down, the more different types of themes it's going to load up. Let's say, for instance, I want to choose this particular penguin. So I'm going to simply click on it, and it's going to load up into a page like this. Then you can see how your browser homepage is going to look like if eventually you get it in. So the preview is going to be shown right here. You can scroll down and read detail about the theme right here, just like what you see right here. Now, for you to get the theme, what you need to do is to simply click on Get Theme right here. And then right here, you have to simply come to the top right here, click on Add Theme. So you can see right here, it has been successfully added. What we need to do next is to come to the top right here, and we'll click on this plus sign here to create a new tab. And having created a new tab, you can see the entire environment of our Edge browser has been changed drastically without any stress. So basically, this is how to choose a different theme and how you can change your theme in Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.